Understanding the phrase, to close the book on. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used phrase in the English language, to close the book on. This phrase carries a rich meaning and is used in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll fully understand how and when to use this phrase effectively in your daily conversations. The phrase, to close the book on, is a metaphorical expression that means to end something definitively or to conclude a chapter or phase in one's life, work, or situation. It's like when you finish reading a book, and you close it, signifying that the story has ended for you. Similarly, when you close the book on something, you're putting an end to it, with a sense of finality and completeness. Using to close the book on in sentences is fairly straightforward. It's often used when talking about concluding experiences, projects, relationships, or phases of life. Here are a few examples. After years of legal battles, he was finally able to close the book on that chapter of his life. The company decided to close the book on their old marketing strategy and start fresh. She closed the book on her long-distance relationship, realizing it was time to move on. Understanding the context in which to close the book on is used can help you grasp the nuances of its meaning. This phrase can carry a sense of relief, completion, or sometimes regret, depending on the situation. It is suitable for both formal and informal settings but is particularly powerful in narrative or reflective contexts where a sense of ending and moving forward is being emphasized. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, to close the book on. It's a beautiful expression that can add depth to your conversations and writings, especially when talking about endings and new beginnings. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn opens up a world of possibilities. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to close the book on old methods and open new ones as you continue to improve. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.